What's good, everybody? Nate the Producer Beats. Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing good wherever you're watching from. So today we're going to be making a super dope, versatile, R&B trap-ish type beat. Totally from scratch. Gonna have a good time. Make some beautiful music. So thank you guys so much for all the support. Let's get to work. BPM down. All right, let's change the pitch. I think I'm gonna, I don't know, maybe go down like 2. And let's extend some of these notes, see what that gives us. Yeah. Take it up 1. Let's alter it. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and clone this expand. And I want some kind of bell or something. This will work. That's close enough. Yeah. All right, let's go and layer this up. So, I don't know, bro. Like an analog lab, man. Think we might be able to get a vibe from there. Hell yeah. Woo! 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 Ooh. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Let's go. exactly what I want. Our arcade's gonna be our best friend today. We're gonna clone this one, and I'm gonna throw in a like a drum fill, and you'll see what I'm finna do. We'll make it sound real interesting.